Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. So if you are new to this particular channel, subscribe it and click on the notification button. We will be keep on uploading the videos related to the ServiceNow and also job opportunities from my HR department. Okay, so uh, one more thing. Okay, whenever you started watching my videos, speed you can watch it at 1.25x so that you can save your time, because I do talk bit slow to get understand it by everyone. Okay, let's get pitching. So this topic, okay, from today, okay, last sessions we were mostly focusing on the update sets. The entire playlist is there in the description, you can check it out. And today we are going to be discussed, and today and in next 3 to 4 videos I am going to be taken, the new application customization I'm going to be done, and later on the topics related to creating the applications and modules in ServiceNow we are going to be discussed. And here the topics will be involved in entire playlist from today. Remember, first, tables. How do you create the tables? How many ways are there? And next, type of fields, and next, form view, form layout, or form design. And next, the entire topics can be discussed, okay, because the topics which are pitched in this, right, if you wanted to be designed or create the application, something like customization application and modules, you need to understand this first. Then only you will be able to create your own table based on the requirement. You will be creating the fields. Then you can be, you know, having good experience or good understanding. Okay. And first of all, I will tell you, okay, I will clearly tell you what is application and what is module. Okay, give me a moment. You just see here. Okay, I will go to incident. Okay, incident is one of the application. Whenever whenever you are practicing in any instance, you will be having you know uh, the application called incident. This is one of the application that is by default application. You will be having change management, request management, and also knowledge management. In the same way, you will be having incident application. So here in incident application, okay, how are you creating the new incident, and how are you fetching out assigned to me incidents, and how are you fetching out open incidents, and how are you filtering out unassigned incident, and in the same way resolved incidents. So if you are able to see this particular thing, you will be calling as the application. And the moment it is holding inside the application, there are different kind of modules where you will be able to create in your customization application also, as by default, which is created by your ServiceNow instance. So you can be able to create new. When you say create new, when we click on the create new, it will be automatically opening the new incident form, right? And when you click on the assign to me, it will be give you assign to me related incidents, right? So in the same way, can we able to do it? But what is the a mechanism in the backend, how it got given you these simplified modules? So remember, from now, this you will be calling as module, this you will be calling as module, this you will be calling as module, where application is holding multiple modules. But can I able to do it from my end? Yes, I will show you next videos. Each and every video will be consisting, each and every topic can be covered, and created. So give me a moment, I will go to there. Okay, I will go to each and every module here. Okay, you see here. Okay, create new. What is create new? If I click on the create new, it will be opening create new form, this form. Okay, you observe what is the URL, -1 sysparam query active, and this is the new form related URL. And if I go to assign to me, what will happen? It will show me assign to me. It is filtering out assign to is equals to system administration and giving me the result. And if I go to all, if I say all, what will happen? All, in the all, the incidents which are created, total incident it will show you. But how this is happening? If I go here, okay, you just observe here, I will say, okay, I will go to open. See, edit module I am clicking on. The moment when I clicking on the edit module, okay, it will be opening with, form, and here it is consisting order and application menu and also link type. But what are they? How they are designed in the back end? How they are designed? What is open? You just come down. Open is nothing but the records which are true, active is true, those are all called open. But how they had builded it? In the same way we can build it. Remember, in the back end it will be connecting to the database. Okay, in the back end it will connect to the database, and it gives you the filterization of the records, and it helps us to create a new record also. So if I go to new one, okay, let me go into the new record. See, in the new record what is happen? Okay, order is 100. Okay, order is 100 and display name is create new, and link type, if you are able to see, incident.do sys id -1. This URL you can focus on. What is this URL? When you are opening the new form, even same thing you will be seeing. Okay, even same thing you will be seeing this particular URL in the new form also. See, understand? So that is how it will be connecting in the backend. And if I tell you simply, module is nothing but it will be connecting in the backend to the table, and it is kind of shortcut where we can open the different kind of records related to the particular application. That is called application and module. Remember, it is very simple, don't worry. In the next video, I will come up with one of the application, customization application. In the same way, how can we create it, and what is the application business? How do you automate your business? The entire project I will show you in the next video. Okay, in the part 2, in this playlist, till form design, I will show it to you. Okay, till we get something like this. So the forms, right, when we say create new, how it is looks like, right, it's beautiful, right? In the same way we will be creating our own fields and tables, and also we will be designing such a beautiful form for our customization application, and we'll be creating the modules, different kind of modules. Okay, stay tuned, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.